iPhone SE2 2020, new renders and features of the smartphone. It seems that in 2020 we will see the new budget smartphone from Apple. After all, more and more iPhone SE2 features appear on the network, as well as photos and videos of the future news. New renders revealed a reliable source. Smartphone features. Apple will release two versions of the iPhone SE2 in 2020. It seems that the new iPhone SE2 will be slightly thicker from the flagship 2017. In addition, most likely, he will receive frosted glass, as in the series of smartphones iPhone 11 and some characteristics of this series. A 4.7-inch matrix with an aspect ratio of 16:9 will accommodate the Touch ID button. There is a single advanced camera at the back, and a fresh Apple A13 Bionic chip under the hood. Render of the new iPhone SE2. It is assumed that the iPhone 9 will be released in the first half of this year with two iPad models.